Hello everyone, welcome to our channel once again. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates, and also leave a comment to express your thoughts on this. The Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja on Wednesday reserved judgment in the application filed by former Senator Philip Aduda of People's Democratic Party against the election victory of Senator Ireti Kingibe, the lawmaker representing the Federal Capital Territory under the Labour Party platform. Recall that the Independent National Electoral Commission, returning officer for the FCT senatorial election, Professor Sani Saka, had declared Kingibe winner of the poll after garnering 202,175 votes. She defeated Senator Abuja, who scored 100,544 votes and came second. But Abuda's legal team approached the National Assembly Election Petitions Tribunal sitting in Abuja, seeking the nullification of Kingibe's victory. Abuda's legal team had alleged that collation of results across the FCT area councils were yet to be concluded before Kingibe was declared winner. The tribunal, however, dismissed Abuda's petition for lacking in merit while upholding Kingibe's victory at the February 25th polls. Abuda's legal team disagreed with the tribunal's verdict and applied to the Court of Appeal for redress. On Wednesday, the legal team of the parties were present before the three-man panel of the appeal court led by Justice K.M. Kalio. Abuda's legal team asked the court to set aside the decision of tribunal and affirm their client's winner of the poll. But Ireti's team told the court to uphold the judgment of the tribunal. After hearing the parties, the Court of Appeal reserved judgment to a date to be communicated to parties.
Wow, there's this mindset of Nigerian politicians when it comes to election that if they don't win by pool, they can win, through judiciary. Even when it is clear that they have lost election, they will still go to court. I think that is exactly what is playing out here in the case of Ireti and Aduda. The candidate of PDP, senatorial PDP in FCTC. There was a sweep. There was a how will I put it? A revolution in our Nigerian political system during this last election. Before the 2023 general election, what we will always have is 2 horsepower. The two major political power party, the APC and the PDP. But unfortunately for the politicians and the key actors, Peter Obi surfaced and joined, Labour Party, and that singular move by Peter Obi changed narrative in Nigerian, in Nigerian political history. Really, there are people who shouldn't have won election, and because of the Obi phenomena, they were able to win election. I think one of them is Ireti, Kingibe, because that's exactly what happened in the FCT. No, what happened in FCT was that Peter Obi won the presidential election. In fact, he won it almost 99%. And the senator representing FCT, PDP senator representing FCT, and APC senators and all that, they all lose to Labour Party candidates through the obedient phenomena. At the end of the day, it was clear that this woman has won election. But the PDP senator still went to court. The tribunal upheld the election of the Ireti Kingibe and said she's lawful, dismissed the election of Aduda. And now the man has gone to appeal court to continue to challenge, the election of Ireti Kingibe. What am I trying to say here? It's high time Nigerian politicians understand this game that you can't win all the time. It is like a game of football. One person must emerge the winner. That is how it's structured. That is how it's structured. The fact that you didn't win now doesn't mean that you're a failure. That is the way I see it. Come again, you may likely win. You can take example from President Muhammad Buhari. He has contested 3 good presidential elections and failed. It was at the 4th time that he won. So, to me, let us have this sportsmanship. When you contest election and you win, let the sleeping dog lie. When it is clearly and obvious that this thing was not manipulated. Because the general election in Abuja was actually not manipulated. It was a clean, fair, free, fair, and credible election in the city of Abuja, in the FCT. And the people of FCT decided to vote for a particular candidate just because of the obedient phenomena. Take it. Accept your fate. 2027 is coming. Come out and contest. But this idea of, okay, it must be me, I must win, is worrisome. That is just it. It's worrisome. Why is it that we have this mindset that it will always be them, me, it will always be me, it will always be me. If I don't get it, nobody's going to get it. And if you can't get it on the ballot, you have to go as far as, employing the judiciary to get it. Why? How did you get here? And this is just simple stuff to show that the Nigerian politicians don't even have faith in the electoral process. That is just it. Because the number of litigation that is going on presently concerning election litigations, I don't think there's any country in Africa, in the world, who go through this kind of litigation after election. Everybody who participated in election want to go to court. Why is it like that? Why? How did you got ourselves to this place? That we cannot see things that are right. We can't see things that are normal. Why is it like that? So these are the things that I begin to ask questions here and there, and these questions have not gotten answer to. Even in the presidential, it's all over. It's just amazing. Well, I want you to feel free to comment below. Let me know your thoughts concerning this, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.